Hey guys, and welcome to another on Photobook, and today it's going to be Overflow's third Photobook Strobos. It comes with this Kyoong monkey keychain, as well as a bunch of freebies. The first thing is a keychain of them in their elf costume, and it has Baekhyun's number 4 number in the back. Next is an electromagnetic wave sticker, which mimics the keychain that we saw in the beginning. Here we have really cute stickers of Baekhyun. Next we have 2 transparent photo cards. Here we have 10 Polaroids with their backs saying the same thing, Kyoong. And here we have a really cute picture of Baekhyun for the fan. And here we finally have the amazing and beautiful photo book.